I'm Adam Jusko from PropMoney.com. I just got the new metal version of the Capital One Saver card, so I thought I would share that with you and also talk to you real quickly about how Capital One is recycling metal credit cards. But before I do that, I would ask you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not already, and if you have already, I thank you for doing so. So I just added someone onto my Capital One Saver Rewards card as an authorized user, and I already had the card, but I got the plastic version, and so I actually thought it was pretty interesting that my authorized user got the newish metal version of the card, so I thought I would show that to you. I don't have the greatest footage of it. I just took it really quickly, but you can kind of get an idea of a little bit of the weight of the card from this footage, and then you can also kind of see sort of that shininess kind of shows you the the metallic part of it too, and you can see that it's got that thickness as well. Now, the other thing that's sort of interesting here is that Capital One also sent along an envelope that is for recycling metal credit cards, which is actually sort of strange considering they were giving me a credit card for an authorized user on a card that I already have, but maybe they thought I had another metal credit card that I was going to be sending back in its place. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, on this side they have a message here that says, please use this envelope to return your old metal card or cards for disposal. And then on the other side, they actually have the address, obviously, of Capital One, but also, if you can see that, it also shows that it is a prepaid envelope. So all you have to do is stick your card in here, seal it up, and then you can send it back to Capital One. So if you've ever had a metal card or have a metal card and you want to get rid of it, for Capital One at least, they now seem like they are starting to send out these envelopes. Now, I know other credit card companies that have metal credit cards, they do something similar, but they don't necessarily send the envelope to you. So if you want to get rid of your metal credit card, and obviously they're not particularly easy to just cut up and, unless you have a blowtorch that you want to put to them, maybe you are going to want to send them back. Also, you can contact, I think, pretty much all the other credit card issuers that offer metal credit cards, and they will send out a prepaid envelope like this, so you can stick the card in there, and then you can send it on its way and have them recycle it, and you won't have to worry about it. I'm not quite sure if I would send the card back in one of these if I had a metal credit card to recycle, only because of the fact that oftentimes when you get a new credit card, the number stays the same and the expiration date changes. So if your card's expired and they send a new one out to you, you don't necessarily get a new credit card number, you just get a new credit card, and it has a different expiration date. So if you're sending your credit card through the mail and somebody got their hands on it, they could probably use it online or use it other places where the credit card date doesn't necessarily come into play, and they could just change the expiration date that the card says. Now, hopefully the CVV number, that little 3-digit number, is going to be different from card to card, but I could still see the possibility of someone getting their hands on that card and potentially being able to use it. Probably not an issue that would come up very often, but I wonder if that would give me a little pause in terms of sending my card back through the mail in this manner. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, please go to PropMoney.com, where we do credit card reviews and have personal finance news, talk deals, and all sorts of other fun stuff too. Thanks for watching. Bye.